Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize SEO on Squarespace in 2026. So if you want your website to rank higher on Google and get more organic traffic, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, go to your page settings and set a clear, keyword-focused page title. This helps search engines understand what your page is about. Next, add a meta description. This is the short text that appears under your website in Google search results, so make it simple and descriptive. Now structure your content using headings like H1, H2, and H3. This helps both users and search engines read your content easily. Next, optimize your images by adding descriptive file names and alt text. This helps your site appear in image search results too. Now make sure your page URLs are short and clean. Avoid long random strings and keep them keyword-friendly. Next, improve your site speed by compressing images and avoiding heavy design elements. Faster websites rank better on search engines. Now connect your site to Google Search Console. This helps you track performance, index pages, and fix SEO issues faster. Finally, publish your changes and monitor your rankings over time. SEO is not instant, so keep improving your content regularly, and that's it. If you follow these steps consistently, your Squarespace website will become much more SEO-friendly and start getting more organic traffic over time. Hey everyone!